Hello guys, welcome to DIYS, do it yourself. In today's session I will be showing you how to create a restore point. A restore point is needed in your systems most times when either your hard drive is faulty or your operating system for your Windows is having issues or is corrupted. That is when you can fall back to a restore point. So let's go dive into it and I'll show you how this is being done. First of all, you come to Windows here, then you type restore. You can see here it says create restore point. You click on it. So we are the interface that has just popped up now. Now you click on this C drive. Now we're going to configure, we're going to be sure that this C drive is turned on. So here it's turned on. You ensure it's turned on your system protection. So you ensure that it's turned on, you agree and you apply, then click on create. So while creating it, you give it a name. You can type it either, let me say my restore. So that is done. Then you click on create. It takes time for a while, then it's being created. So the whole purpose of this, like I said earlier, is to fall back to this restore point. It resets your system back to its original state. Peradventure your hard drive or your system is faulty or your operating system is faulty. That's the whole essence of restore point. It's very useful in helping you not to either format the system when the system has issues. So it's been done, so you close it and that's it, finished. Very easy, you can do it yourself. So please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.